It's October 27th, and it's almost time to plant garlic. I gotta find space somewhere. Right now there's no space in here. I'm gonna try to have all of these survive the winter. Except the tomatoes, they won't survive. This plant's been here 4 years. Time. So it survived 3 winters. Trying to have this one survive also. Rosemary. And sage here. So I'm creating a little compost. Leaves, dirt, coffee ground. I'm gonna leave all these here over the winter too. These are kale, and these should survive down to probably 20 degrees. Swiss chard. Over here, I don't know what these are called. These are some kind of Chinese green, similar to bok choy. So I got 10 garlic right here and 20 over there. I'll plant the rest tomorrow. These are all the hardnecks. Alright, this is a final touch, putting on the pine needles. This is as far as this Cersei is gonna go. It's way too cool. So this time I'm gonna cut it and see if it'll grow back in the spring. Probably a 0% chance of that. So I'm not gonna root it up. I'm just gonna cut. See what happens. Good old Jamaican Cersei, so.